Let's unbox and set up this huge 40-inch curved ultra-wide business monitor from Philips. This could replace a dual monitor setup you may already have or considering getting. This is from Philips 6000 series of monitors and its official model number is a mouthful, but here we go. It's 40B1U6903CH. The link will be in the video description, so make sure to go and check it out for yourself. If you have any questions though, please drop a comment below. A quick run through of the key details before we get it unboxed. It's a 40-inch or officially 39.7 inches or 100.9 centimeters. It's a WUHD 5K 2K display with a resolution of 5120 by 2160. It offers a 21 by 9 curved ultra wide display, Thunderbolt supported connectivity, HDR technology built in, Windows Hello webcam built in as well, and that offers noise cancellation microphone for collaboration and multiple calls now that we do at home. It has multi-view options and multi-client integration KVM switch. One thing I really do like to see from a visually impaired person's point of view is the iSafe certified. As you'll see here, inside the little I symbol there is an RPF 50, and this designates the level of high energy blue light reduction in the digital display, and this is set around the halfway level. Make sure to follow the unpacking and setup guide along the front of the box here. I just want to share though before I get this unboxed that this monitor weighs 13.5 kilos with a stand attached, so please be careful or make sure to ask for help. First of all, we have our paperwork, so there's a few guides here, and then there's a little pack with information in, and also please note there's a little screwdriver that you'll need to connect the stand and then connect the stand and column to your monitor. Then we have our HDMI cable. So this will be able to connect into devices such as my Mac Mini, my MacBook Pro, my Windows laptop, my Xbox and my PlayStation, and a range of different devices. Next up is your DisplayPort cable. This is where you can connect into your GPU for a more gaming performance and a better choice of resolutions. As this monitor is Thunderbolt supported, you get a Thunderbolt cable here that you can connect up, or even daisy chain a multiple monitor setup if you choose to. Then we have our EU and UK power connections. Last up, we have our base plate. So this is metal structure in design. It has rubberized feet, and there are also some screws on the back that you'll need to use that screwdriver to then add your column on, and here is your column. So you can see some cable management options. This sits on, but use that screwdriver to connect it all together. Then taking a look at our monitor, and as I mentioned, it's really huge. So down the left hand side when standing up is a headphone mount, and then also you get the big air vents. You also have a VESA mount connection, or where your column and stand will connect into, and then you have all of your connectivity, and then over to the right hand side of the monitor when standing up is your USB hub. You also have a Kensington lock. Looking at our connections, so you have a dedicated on-off power switch with your power connection. You have your HDMI, DisplayPort, USB-C or Thunderbolt connections, and then your upstream as well for your USB hub that's on the side, plus also an Ethernet connection, so multiple different ports here get you connected and keep you connected either throughout your business or even when you're enjoying some gaming. Taking a quick look at the button control options that this monitor offers, they're a lot larger than normal and a lot more tactile, which is really good to see, especially from a visually impaired person's point of view. I still prefer a joystick control stick option though. And as I mentioned, down the left hand side you'll have your USB hub with your audio in options, as well as the headphone rest just at the top there that pops out. As I mentioned, with your column and stand, you'll need to use the screws that are pre-installed into the base and use the screwdriver provided in the packaging to tighten it up. Once you've screwed that in, you can then add your column and base plate to your monitor. It slots in and can be easily removed with a little switch underneath the column. This is then when you can add your VESA mount if you want to. This is where I'm going to use the 4 screws provided in your paperwork packet and the screwdriver again to make sure to screw down the column and stand into the back of the monitor. Once you've securely fastened your column and stand to your monitor, it's then time to go through and set up and connect your devices. So I've got a bit of gameplay here going on from the Amazon Luna service, where I actually didn't need a console for this one. This is an online service that I've just enjoyed here, and I thought I'd just show at the end of this video. But I will have this connected, as I mentioned, to my Xbox and PlayStation, as well as my MacBook Pro for work, my Windows laptop for my day job, and then other devices to test and try out. However, if you have any questions or queries, please make sure to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of this ultra wide monitor from Philips that is designed for a business use. However, I will be doing some gaming though, so believe me, I can't wait to test it thoroughly. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't and ring the notification bell to stay updated once I release my review, where I'll go into a lot further details and in a lot more depth about key features of this monitor. For me, Ricky, thank you for watching and make sure to have a great day.